2024 Honda Odyssey. This minivan delivers safety and comfort to its passengers. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.